Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2004 ECE paper. The longest wavelength that can be absorbed by silicon, which has band gap of 1.12 electron volts, is 1.1 micrometers. If the longest wavelength that can be absorbed by another material is 0.87 micrometers, then the band gap of this material is we know the relation between energy gap and frequency, that is nothing but wavelength. We can write it as energy gap or energy of a photon is nothing but h into v. V is nothing but frequency of light, frequency of wave, so we can write it as c by lambda, because from this c is nothing but velocity of light, lambda is nothing but wavelength, and v is nothing but velocity of the wave, frequency of the wave. So from this one, h is Planck's constant, c is nothing but another constant, velocity of light. If you multiply those two constants, you will get the numerator as constant, which is 1.24 divided by 1.24 divided by lambda. It is electron volts. What you will get units as electron volts, and lambda must be in micrometers. Remember that one. 1.24 by lambda. The relation between wavelength and energy gap, that is band gap of semiconductor, is nothing but, it is very important equation. Eg is equal to 1.24 divided by lambda. Lambda must be in micrometers, and the units for this one is nothing but electron volts. This is very important equation. Only one equation is present in the special purpose diodes, that too light related. So for this one, so if you know this equation, then no need to go for the first statement, which is useless for us. It is not that much useful. So directly we have seen the longest wavelength of the material absorbed 0.87. So Eg is equal to 1.24 divided by 0.87. So this will be equal to 1.416 electron volts. So the band gap of material which can absorb the maximum of 0.87 micrometer wavelength is nothing but 1.416 electron volts. This is the answer. 6th A.